They envy me, my hills of clay, the white coast calling on the soft sea air. So much to lose, and yet I'd leave the hills of clay and live in a desert if I had you there. What would I lose if I could choose? If I could choose a place to walk with you, I'd choose the longest road, and it would lead us to a house that no one knew. Bellows by the fire, and the turf smoke rising higher than the lark that wings and always sings of you. If I could choose a time to talk with you, I'd choose the longest day, and it would be the hills of prayer. I'd shout them loose. I would tell them how a day could last forever, and I'd never leave your side if I could choose. If I could choose a time to talk with you, I'd choose the longest day, and over all the hills of Clare, I'd shout the news. I would tell them how a day could last forever, and I'd never leave your side if I